Hello video watcher, my name is Mark and I'm currently a rising sophomore at Regis High School. For my main project, the Star Trek tricorder, my first milestone was wiring these sensors to this Arduino Nano and then having them display their data to this TFT touchscreen. The Arduino Nano controls all these sensors and interprets all of their data, and I can personally code it to do whatever I like. This DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor has a humidity sensor and a thermistor that sends data back to the Arduino. This photocell is a resistor that changes its resistance based on the amount of light that hits it. This UV sensor here reads the amount of visible and IR light sent by the sun and interprets it and detects the amount of for the UV index or ultraviolet light index. This GPS sends signals to track up to 22 satellites at a time to determine exactly where you are. This TFT-XX screen is a touchscreen, 3.5 inches, and also features a micro SD card slot. Well, to code it, I had to mainly use the example code, but for displaying it on the screen, I mainly heavily edited it and got it to work accordingly. But this led to one of my first problems, which was how do I get all the data to print to the screen without overwriting itself, which was happening with a lot of overlapping. I solved this by having the screen refresh every 2 seconds, as seen here. Another problem I ran into was with the GPS, which would not get a fix on any satellites, but then I realized that that's probably because I'm indoors and not outdoors. Thanks for watching. Right.